Hello and good evening. So, I'm making this really special video. It's an introductory video. So, if you like the contents of this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about something really important, and especially in our Indian subcontinent, it's not much talked about, but it is narcissism. What is narcissistic personality disorder, and what is the difference between a excuse me, a narcissist, and just someone with an ego problem? So anyone who's dealt with a narcissistic person, it's like dealing with someone who is shadow boxing you. What does that mean? The entire aim of a narcissist is to pretend to love you, because most narcissists are incapable of love simply because they lack empathy. They don't have those human values. Unfortunately, they are unable to feel it at all. The reason being is any negativity or any weakness within themselves is camouflaged by projecting it onto another human being. Their own self perception, which is something called a fake self, is that of perfection. They are morally superior, mentally superior, and many times they're good looking, so then they are physically superior, and that's where they get their sense of privilege from. Narcissistic people are intensely privileged human beings who think that they're really different from other human beings, in the sense that they believe that they're cut of a different cloth. They are they just and in a certain sense they are unable to feel natural emotions like love, sympathy, compassion. And since they are unable to feel this themselves, they don't feel it for other people, they also consequently lack it for themselves. uh, but they, in order to look civil, they pretend these emotions because they need to get something out of somebody, so they need to have this mask of civility. It's quite a complicated personality type, and it is not easily understood. There's a whole raging narrative now on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube on it, and I think till about 15-20 years ago it was quite on the periphery. But there are quite a few narcissists at large now, and given the way social media functions, it makes everyone believe that they're a celebrity for 5 minutes of fame or whatever. Getting back to the topic of narcissism, I won't stretch it too long because it's an introductory video. The people who are dealing with them find it very difficult or increasingly hard to keep up with them after a while. In the beginning, they're extremely charming, and if they're blessed with good looks, it's possible a lot of people are enamored by them. And but the wit, the charm, and the sympathy is all a mask for someone who needs to get something out of you. And so they need to have this mask that they really care for you. So these are your typical love bombers. So suddenly you'll see um, this person suddenly giving you lots of attention, and you don't know where it's coming from. Like, they might have been in your circle, they might have been dating one person, and something goes wrong with that person, and suddenly they move on really quickly to the next person. Why are they like this? There's a huge amount of literature on them, but to suffice, I want to say that if you are dealing with one, you must quickly try to understand what are the 4 5 traits of them. One is a lack of empathy and compassion. Secondly, they feign an interest, and so there's a mask which does slip from time to time, and you're able to see through them and their agenda. Thirdly, they are unable to take responsibility, blame for any wrongdoing, and if they do say sorry or if they do apologize, which is mostly never, everything is always the other human being's fault. It's if they do say sorry, it's because they want to keep you around, they need you around. You are essential to their existence. Perhaps you give them a lot of attention, you raise their status where they stay, where in their society, so you're an important component of their life. So they will then apologize to you to just keep you around. Secondly, a lot of sudden attention from them, and then if when things go wrong, they just flake out so fast. You'll be wondering, like, did this relationship actually happen? Did they actually tell me all these lovely sweet things? Love bombing is a very favorite tactic of the narcissist, and it's a very common thing. And the other quality that signifies narcissism is, I think I said this, the ability to move on very quickly from person to person. If somebody does not give them what they want and is stuck to their opinion, if they can't play with your emotions, also they have a habit of knocking your confidence down, to keep you around. So they play a little dirty trick on you. They flatter you and things like that, so you feel, wow, I've really hit the jackpot here, someone really loves me. But the moment you disagree with them, all of that is quickly taken away, to be replaced with a coldness which one just cannot understand, and one is not prepared for it. Because when we form opinions, when we form perceptions of people, the first few interactions of them makes a very strong mental makeup of that person. So suddenly when we see a contrary behavior, a human being usually can't comprehend that behavior, because they said, oh, they're really actually a nice person. So suddenly that the behavioral change is something that they cannot completely fathom. So these are, in a nutshell, what are the few qualities of a narcissist. And if you're dealing with one, it's not as simple as it looks. If you've been in a relationship, you already know that getting out of a relationship with a narcissist is a very difficult task, because they cannot tolerate the other person leaving. But yes, if they find better targets, then they immediately move on without remorse. But a narcissist will not let you go very easily, and will create all kinds of situations which will make it very difficult. They will enmesh you financially, enmesh you in certain situations, mentally, emotionally, making it extremely difficult, especially if you have a spouse that is a narcissist. They have a child with you, they will make it increasingly difficult, to maybe giving you access to that child, or will use the child as a way to manipulate your emotions. I'm going to do another video on this. They use a tactic called triangulation, but for this time I'm going to be just leaving you with this much, just to introduce you to the topic, what is narcissism all about. And if you're dealing with one, and if you need help or coaching in letting go of one, do get in touch with me. I'm on Instagram as Soma Mangnani. Get in touch with me on Instagram, on YouTube. I still am not giving out too many of my details. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.